I realized I talked to the PCMC national director that there's no CDIFI in PCMC because they already know, at least they watch my video blog on my YouTube. Anyway, advise everyone to attend the Autism Society of the Philippines Angels Walk on April 21. So I advise them. I advise Kyle Castro, Aton Comentador to join Autism Society of the Philippines Angels Walk in April 21. I never been joining Autism Society of the Philippines Angels Walk way back when was that time? 2017. That's why Teacher Evelyn had asked me, would you likely to join ASP together with your best friend Jens Manaid? I actually, Jens and I, we're interested to join Autism Society of the Philippines Angels Walk. But there's Ian Martinez who will join in Angels Walk in ASP. For all of you, advice to Aton Comentador, Kyle Castro, especially Apple Alday, Buddy Castro, and all my friends in CDIFI, please join the Autism Society of the Philippines Angels Walk. It is coming on April 21 or Sunday next week. So please all of you join this event. So the Autism Society of the Philippines Angels Walk will be 7 a.m. or I think 7:30 a.m. I guess. According by ASP, Autism Society of the Philippines President Tita Mona Vilus o Carl Vilus' mom. So please all of you join and attend ASP Angels Walk and Autism Society of the Philippines Angels Walk. That's all.